everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Aida64 Extreme version on Windows 10. So first of all, we have to go to a link that can help us to download the software. So this is the link. I will give the link in the description too. So please check the description. Now, after you have got to the link, you will see this web page. Now scroll down and you can see the Ada Extreme version here. Now there's an Extreme version here too. Sorry, I have to close that. Now there's an external version here too, but it is a portable package, but we want to install it. So we are going to choose this one and click on download here. So now we have to scroll down and you can see we can download it from these sources. Now I'm going to download it from download.aida64.com. I'm going to close that. Now there you go. We are downloading Aida64 Extreme. So after downloading the file, you have to click on it, press OK, then click next, then click on I accept the agreement, then click next again, then click next, and you can either check this or uncheck this. I'm just going to leave it as it is, then click install. So I'm going to click on finish now, and you can see the Ada software is starting up and we have Ada software running in our computer. So that's how you can download and install Aida64 Extreme version on Windows 10. Remember, this is the trial version and you might have to pay in order to use the full version, but this is the way to download and install Aida64.